Alright, so when it comes around here, it should hit that sensor. Okay, and there it goes. So that goes on. There we go. You can see we're going on here. And it passed that sensor over there, and it goes off. So now let me see if I can try to capture this whole thing. If I can or not. Sensor there. Let's come over here. So there it goes. Sensor's on. Going that way. Sensor off. Bing bong. There it goes off. Come back over here again. There's the sensors down there across from that red box. Let's see if I can back up and get everything here. There we go. There it goes. You see the lights went on. Bring it over here. Went off again. I lost my signal. Dang it. I got loose wires here somewhere. Yeah. Try it again. Here it comes. So it should set the sensor up. There it goes. There it goes. So it went off. See the lights. And we'll go over here again. It'll pass it. And it should shut off. Beautiful. All right, check it again. I gotta fix the connection. Bad connection. So it's gonna come around over there again. See if we can. I can't get them on. Can't get enough. Maybe I can. There we go. So there it goes. Hit the one. There it goes. You can see the lights are going. And come around over here. It's gonna pass again. Watch the lights will go on, off, blink, 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 and go off. Perfect. That's how it's supposed to work on DC. It won't work that way on the wall wart. Guaranteed not to work. So here it comes again. Bing. And goes the lights. Coming around again. Bing. Uh-oh. No link. How come? No wonder. Wrong engine. I think okay. Coming around again. I hope. There it comes. Here it comes. Bing. Lights are flashing. Bing. Okay, I'm going to try running the track cleaner motor here for a minute. Block here. Quick. Okay. Should be down. All right. Here we go. Go, baby, go. Let's get it about speed here. About 50%. Motor on. There we go. See how that works? I do crazy things. So you can see it's not tripping. Working fine. Here we go. Coming around. Track cleaning. I got the motor running. See what happens. Making a lot of noise. Let's see, there's the track right now. Now you can see how much cleaner it got just for that one pass. If I go slower, it'll get even better. I always have trouble with this outside track, that's why I have a two-wheel one. But it's going pretty good. You can see. And it comes by again and see if it's any better. Yeah, you can see. The slower I go, the better it is. I'm not really interested in cleaning the track. I'm really interested in that thing tripping. So I'll let it go around again. And we'll conclude the test for tonight because the sprinklers come on tomorrow. It's going very slow. It's coming though. It's a coming. Does a pretty good job. Oh yeah, look at that. It's coming right along. Track will be super clean when the thing isn't doing. There goes the truck. It's ringing, dinging. Bingo. God, I love it. It's working fine. Thank you very much.